Pozdravljeni! Kar boste videli, so pristni, avtentični posnetki. Nobenih trikov s kamero, nobenih zaigranih dogovorov. Vsi gledalci so sodelovali prostovoljno. Vsi so odnesli nepozabno izkušnjo. Moje ime je sam Sebastian. Dobrodošli v mojo magično resničnost. Dobrodošli v šesti čut.
V tej epizodi Cankini in Atanasovski.
Oh Jesus, but you are informed, guy. How do you know this?
Neverjetni šarlatanus Maximus in čarovnija ob Dravi.
Čutila sem energijo.
Na koncertni turneji sta se v mariborskem KGB-ju ustavila priznana vsestranska glasbenika in skladatelja, Italijan Simone Cankini in moj prijatelj iz najstniških let, Vasko Atanasovski. Obiskal sem jo pred koncertom ter jo povabil na zanimiv eksperiment. Povabilu sta se z veseljem odzvala.
I have something very special for you. It's a kind of experiment. First,
Be ready.
I made one prediction. It's for you. We met today for the first time,
Definitely.
and it's just a game of our minds. So, Simone,
See.
here I have 4 cards. Just, yeah. See, 4 cards. Can you give me your hand like this, please? Yes, and your finger put like this. Okay, so we don't drop them. And it's a game of our minds, so I will take 1, 2 cards out of these 4. And I will tell you a secret. These are 4 kings.
Okay.
Yes? And can you tell to me and to Vasco, are they black color or are they red color? What do you see in your mind? Are they black?
The king.
Yes.
Let's say red.
They are indeed. They are 2 red kings. And they disappear. So I will take 1 more out of this pack, I turn it around, I put it back. So now we have 1 of the remaining kings facing up. And you tell again to me and Vasco, what is this king? Is it a spade or is it a club? What do you think?
Spade.
Are you sure?
No, I'm not, but I'm thinking.
This is your first impression.
Spade.
Do you want to change your mind?
No.
Spade. King of spade is facing up. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
I leave? Yes, of course.
And you know, I had a very good feeling about you. You will say this card. That's why I took this card from the other deck, see? And I said in the beginning, it's a game of our mind. It's just imagination. I never took any other king with me.
Yeah, great. Bravo.
Grazie. But it's good, yeah? You have a good...
I had a good telepathia.
Yes.
Thank you.
But I want to try something. I hope it will succeed with the full deck now. Okay, this was just a little bit warming up to see if we are connected somehow. I see we are connected. So, let's say, okay, full deck. Now you know. Full deck, 52 different cards, right? There are no 4 kings anymore, but 52 cards. And I will ask you to just to show me with your finger 4 cards, any 4 cards. You just touch one, just touch 1 card. Just touch
I touch one
yeah,
card.
Touch one, anyone.
This
one, okay. And you go, you touch another one.
Till 4.
Yes.
Okay, 2.
This one, okay.
3.
3. And 1 more.
4.
4. These 4 cards. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we put them here on top. I don't even want to touch them anymore. Okay? Even like this. So do you have any like favorite card
Oh, we'll find one. Woman, of course. Woman is my favorite.
This I could say, yes. Any woman.
Woman heart.
Woman heart, okay. And if you would like to choose, so let's say heart, and if you would like to choose another suite beside heart?
Another one?
Yes.
No woman?
No
women?
No heart, heart and...
another sign. Okay, let's say...
Black, before was black, maybe spade was before the king.
See?
The spade, okay.
I don't know all the names of the signs, but yeah, can be square.
So woman is heart, and the king before you said it's spade. So I think this is okay, yeah?
Va bene.
So we have a heart and we have a spade.
Perfect.
Okay, so you said 4 cards you choose, yes?
Yes.
Let's see. A heart. A heart. Okay. A spade. A spade. And okay, A6, A6. Does it mean anything special to you?
Okay, the metric, I see.
And if we make like this, what do you see?
Ah, right. I see an heart here.
Yes?
And I see heart here, like there.
One is red, one is black, yeah?
Cool.
This was good,
cool.
yeah? But what I also see is I see, for example, 1 and 6, and 1 and 6. If we put this together, it could be 16, and this could be 16.
Sure.
For me, this would be double 16. Does it mean anything special to you?
Double 16 is how much is 32?
Yeah.
Okay, but how many basses are in the accordion?
How many basses? Standard accordion.
Yes.
Under 20.
Okay. And double 16 doesn't mean anything special to you? With the bass?
Double 60, 32, 32, 64.
Double bass? What if I say Z, double 16?
Oh Jesus, but you are informed, guy. How do you know this?
Does it mean anything special to you?
Of course, Z double 16. That's my instrument, my project. I have to tell this now. This will surprise me. Is everything true? We are not. See, I project an instrument. It's called Z double 16. It's my project. Pretty young. It's less than 1 year ago. And we made it with one of the best accordion factory in Italy, so it's going very well. It's a good success. So Z double 16. So sorry, I couldn't connect with the Z double 16 now. yeah. It's
Nice.
cool. Congratulations.
Free choice? Was it free choice?
Was definitely. I mean, my choice.
Yes.
On the card.
Yes.
It was totally free choice.
And the heart and the spade?
The best. So. Postitam. Čestitam.
V gostišču ob reki Dravi sem sredi delovnega časa za trenutek ustavil natakarico Klaudijo ter jo poskusil malce začarati. Na moje presenečenje ji 6. čut očitno ni tuj.
Ti verjameš v 6. čut?
Jaz ga uporabljam.
Ti ga uporabljaš, torej imaš vse pod kontrolo, ne?
Ne uporabljam ga za kontrolo. Tako bomo rekli.
Pol bo po moje ta eksperiment z nama ful dobro uspel.
Kurim žarnice z rokami, tako da previdno z mano. Včeraj sem 3 skurila, sem bila malo bolj divja. Resno, brez heca.
Torej si ti tudi malo čarovnica, čarodejka. Se čutim.
Ja.
Glej, pol pa naredimo tako, ne? Da vidimo, če lahko... Si kdaj igrala karte?
Ne, ja, zraven sem gledala.
Pa poznaš karte, ne? Karte so pač 52 kart, od zadaj vse enake, od spredaj vse različne, ne? Zdaj, eno boš izbrala katerokoli, jaz bom gledal stran, ti jo pokaži sebi pa kameri. Dobro, kar vzemi, kjer želiš, jaz gledam stran, ok? Prav? Glej, iz teh kart ti naredim približno 2 polovički. Povej mi, katero roko želiš.
Levo.
To bo tvoja, kar primi. Ti pa vrni svojo karto v moj komplet. Tako. Kaj mi daš tvojo roko? Kar je za vročino?
Je.
Da vidimo. Pa res, ti si kaj čutila?
Čutim cel čas.
Pol to ni tvoja karta, ne?
Ne.
To tudi ne. To tudi ne.
Aj, lej ti to. To je. Moja karta. Wow, magic.
Dam ti eno za spomin.
Okay.
Pa za konec, preden te spustim, ti dam še en preizkus. Poglej, vidiš, da so karte, so vse, te, ki so preostale, so vse različne, vidiš, ne? Da ne še rekla, so vse enake, to bi bilo brez veze, ne? Je, ne?
Štima.
Štima, ne?
Štima.
Povej mi eno število, imaš kako posebno število?
19.
Ok, tu sploh ne vem, če je 19. Kaj če damo malo manj, recimo nekaj med 5 pa 10?
9.
Zadnji odgovor? 9? Ok. Daj roko. 3, 6, 9. Poglej to karto. Lahko jaz se vidim tudi, lahko kamero pokažeš srce 8. Jaz sem bil svojo ekipo prej pri tebi na pijači, ne? To je račun, ki si mi ga dala, ne? Je to, kaj smo pili?
Je.
Je, ne? Poglej. To je račun, ki si mi ga ti dala.
Ja, res, jaz sem preverila, štima.
Je, ne? Piše tu Klaudija.
Piše, ura piše, pijače štimajo, vse.
Okay.
Datum, ura. Šteno. Ok, super. Čutila sem energijo, pa probala sem čarovnijo. Prijetno je.
Okay, I have also a surprise for Vasco, and because you are both musicians and you play a lot together, you know, like you will also have a concert tonight, and I wanted to do you like movies?
Sure, definitely.
Yeah, like do you have any favorite movies?
Yeah, sure.
I have some, yeah.
Because music is very important also in the movies. You know, it creates ambient, and maybe sometimes we hear a song or and we connect it with some theme, like with a movie or something. And if I would like to ask you to write down any soundtrack, like any movie soundtrack, any popular soundtrack that everybody knows.
Okay.
For example, I don't know, Rocky, everybody knows, or Superman,
Okay.
or James Bond, but I don't want to influence your choice, so just write a title that everybody knows, okay?
Okay.
But don't let Vasco see it.
Absolutely.
Vasco, I have something else for you.
So
in
I
the
write down.
meantime, you write down in the meantime,
Okay.
but Vasco, we make one more experiment together, okay? So, the cards you just you saw, right?
Yeah.
So I will try to shuffle them for you, and just hide it so that Vasco doesn't see. Yeah. Okay. And Vasco, you will choose one card. Okay, this will be your card. Okay. So just you see 52 different cards. It will be stupid if they will be all the same, right? So you just say stop anywhere you like.
Stop.
Okay, so let's show the card to him and to put it on the table.
This one?
Face up, yes.
I show to him.
Yeah, just
Not
put
to
it
you.
on I can see it.
I can see.
Okay.
Yes, I remember it very well. Okay, you saw. Just show it to camera actually, so that we. Okay. Yes. Can you sign it? Just sign
The
it.
card?
No, Vasco, please. Can you sign your card?
My card?
Yes, please.
Here?
Yeah. Okay. Now, this is your card. And now it's really your card because it has your name on it. And before I asked you to write down a song, a movie soundtrack or something, yeah? So Vasco, if you would say some popular soundtrack that maybe everybody knows, can you say out loud? What do you just comes to your mind?
Pink Panther?
Pink Panther. Okay. Can you show what you just wrote?
This is really incredible, man. I wrote Pink
No
Panther.
way.
Bravo.
No way.
Okay. Psycho. I have to be scared about your influence.
No way.
What would you say if we include some magic into this? And can you turn around your card that you just signed? Can you turn it around?
Yeah. Good.
Good.
I want some secret.
The best.
Great.
Vsak dan smo pod vplivom različnih zvočnih in vizualnih sugestij. Oglasi v tisku, na televiziji in na javnih mestih, plakati, letaki ali grafiti na stenah. Čeprav se jih veliko ne zavedamo, sugestije vseeno zaznamo in le te posredno vplivajo na naše odločitve in dejanja. Vas zanima, kako mi je uspelo, da sta se oba glasbenika odločila za Pink Pantherja? V resnici niti sam nisem bil gotov, a vseeno sem tvegal in naredil preizkus. Na njuni poti do prizorišča se mi ima namreč na nevsiljiva vidna mesta nastavijo njegovo sliko.
Look, before you enter this place, you see things but you don't register them. You see? There was one here. And we go. See, when you entered this place before, you didn't see there was one here.
Cool.
And come. And when you turn like this, when you turn like this, do you see it?
Great. Bravissimo. Wonderful. Wonderful.
Great.
We just had a wonderful experience with this amazing and musician guy, which is Sebastian. I never met him before, and we made up something very, very funny, but I must say also really somehow touchy, emotional. Was a nice experience. Thank you to Sebastian, and don't miss the next shows.
Glede na to, da Sebastiana poznam že iz srednjih šolskih časov, torej že kar mnogo let, se pa nisem v bistvu prej srečal z njegovimi magičnimi veščinami, sem povsem presenečen in sploh mi ni jasno, kako je to izpeljal z nama dvema. Super doživetje.